So this is part A, B, C, D. Part D, I kind of had to work on this on the side. I didn't want to take any more recording to create the frame 3 with it. But let me zoom in, and I need for you to what I need for you to do with this, and you could actually take a look at it over here with it. So this is the frame 3. I just took this image right here and copy it and kind of lay it out with it as well. This is where they actually can connect to the YouTube with it, and then I create another button called back to home, which takes you back to here with it. And you can make up the same verbiage or use the same verbiage I have right here. It's fine with it, but pause the video if you need to type this up with it as well. Do another box with it and kind of bring in something looking like this. 20 out of 30, whatever it is, something like an act with it as well. The point I want to make here is this: when they click on the play now, we want to actually interact and create. Click on prototype, and if you click on the play now with it, if you click on this right here should actually allow you to go to a link that actually takes you to the YouTube video with it as well. So this is the interaction side of this with it. So I want to right mouse click on it. I want to right mouse click on this little dot right here, and you notice here's the interaction right here with it. And if you click on the plus, it says on trigger, on click, you're going to actually do on click with it, right? Action, you're going to actually have it go to, there is navigate to, and destination, I believe, not that, it's a hyperlink. Let me see here. Open overlay, swap overlay. No, here it is. On click. Here we go. I misread it. So on click, instead of saying you want to say open link with it, and tell you where the open link is. So the link I want you to go to is the YouTube videos with it. Let me open up the notepad, another notepad over here with it, and you can link it to this notepad right here, this link right here. Let me paste this link right here on when they click on the video. Let me give you the of course I had to. So this link right here is where you would actually paste that video, that YouTube video. Okay, so that's what I want you to do, and if you want to check open a new tab is really good too as well. But here's what I want to get at is for us to do the navigation on this thing with it as well. So here, if you can position your layout with it, we're going to take this button right here. Let me zoom in. First of all, we need to flatten everything with it. So make sure you select it, and we need to group. A couple of things we need to do. The first thing, we need to group all the games in the carousel together with it as well. So I'm going to group this. Right mouse click on it, group or ungroup. I think I already have it grouped already. So let me do this. This is another group as well. Group selection with it. All right, that's one we need to do. Flatten out all your text with it. So if you want to include this one and this text, this March, and the battery charging with it as well. So make sure you group. Let's see here, or flatten. All right, with it. So flatten it. Now, when we get to this particular icon, let me zoom in a little bit with it. You see that little plus icon hover? Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. and we want to click on, you set a little plus on that particular object and that component. You want to click on it, and this is the interaction I want you to do, is to take this and take it to this particular screen right here. Yes, like that. Okay, and on click, navigate to, you're going to go to frame 2, and it's going to go instant. Yes. Okay, so on click, navigate to frame 2, animations instant with it as well. So when you actually go here and you pick this object that you just clicked on, this is frame 2, so that is this one, nope, this one, this is the rectangle 17 right here with it. So I clicked on the layer, went here. Once you do that, I want you to draw another arrow to the video. Okay, so it looks like this. So zoom out here. So you see how that goes, and on click, navigate to frame 3, and that takes it to frame 3 instant with it as well. So that's how it works with it. So, and then they click on the link on the play now button, takes them to YouTube videos with it, or you can put a play button on top of this and actually gets it with it as well. So that's pretty much it about what else did I tell you about. Oh, now I'm going to show you how to do this in what's called the Draft X VR. You can download the Draft XR with it. It's a plug-in with it, but let me demo this in a 2D first with it as well. So I'm going to click on the play button, and the play button is going to be very flattened with it, so give me a second. So if I looked at here, I click on here, my right arrow, this should take me to here, and this should take me to my YouTube. Yeah, pretty much with it, yes?
Hello, my name
very
is...
simple with it, right? Now, if you want to experience all of this in a VR environment with it, this is how you do it. They give you a few trial period with it. You could try with it. So if you go to your Figma tool up here, come down and plug in, and you see that I already have this installed, right? It's not going to work because I exhausted all the XR with it as well. But if you can do a pull down on it, do this, try this out once you get this thing finished. And I like for you to come down and do plugin, manage plugin. All right. And in your manage plugin, if you type in draft, one word, XR, uppercase like that with it, okay? So once you do this, you click on it, it opens up this dialog. They give you a free trial, several iterations with it as well. You need to log in. It's going to give you a code, and then you copy that code in here, and you click on new draft, and you actually name this new draft something. I don't know. I want to call this new draft with it, right? And click next, next, and I don't think I can get mine to work because I exhausted all the free versions of this with it. So, but this is, I don't care if you can do this, but it's really neat to see it in a browser, that you can actually see how this works with it as well in a VR browser with it as well. Okay, and this is then of course I can't do it right. Let me try new draft with it. Maybe this will work. Test 2. Okay, create public draft. See, that's the message I get, is create more draft, and I exhausted, and they want me to pay with it as well. So. Yeah, so now, but if you do it, you could see it in the browser. Take a screenshot of that, put it into eCampus, onto the document that I have for you. When you're done with this thing, I need for you to export this for me. Please export this. So you go to File, and you can come down to File here and Export. And I like for you to export this. Make sure you select everything you have in here as well, right? And you could export this file. You can export this to a local, save to a local drive, okay? Right here with it. So open that up. This is the file I need for you to upload to send to upload to the eCampus. All right, so I have several versions of these things. So, but do that for me. Cool. All right, I'm going to finish up the instructions. You're going to take some screenshots for me to put in the Word document and bring it back to me as well. Send it back to me as well. Thanks.